This is the wedding of the decade.
Para sa akin ang pag-aasawa ay isang biyaya mula sa may kapal. Isang taong iyong makakasama, makakatuwang mo sa lungkot at saya, sa hirap at ginhawa, at magmamahal sa iyo ng higit sa buhay mo.
Ate Ann, thank you for taking care of Kuya. We appreciate all the things you have done for him. He may not be the perfect one. He may not be perfect, but one thing I can assure you is that he will be a great husband, because I believe that what he does to us, he will also do the same to your future family.
Nag-aasaran pa naman kami ni Dong. Sino unang iyak? Ikaw! Pusahan tayo! Mukhang ako matatalo ah. Mukhang ako mauuna. Wag. Kailangan siya.
Sobrang happy ako. Lahat ng mga gusto mong mangyari, eto na. Andiyan si Papa mo, si Mama, ang Lola. Alam kong sobrang saya ka.
Grabe yung journey mo as a woman. You started loving him just as a very simple love. But sincere, very sincere, simple love. And then it became a little complicated. Parang nagkaroon ng mga drama sa paligid. Na-witness ko yung kung paano kayo mag-overcome at mag-usap, mag-compromise. Ang ganda, nakakaiyak.
In this new lifetime that we will have, I now can see clearly the ending that I've always imagined. But what matters most is the journey on how to get there. And for as long as I'm with you, it does not matter where. I can jump off any cliff, no matter how high. As long as I know you are there, holding my hand.